How to download WhatsApp Business on laptop. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can download WhatsApp Business on laptop. So if you open up any web browser and search for WhatsApp Business app, these are the search results. So if you click on this WhatsApp Business website, you have the option of download app. But when you click on that, it will redirect you to Google Play Store or App Store, which means that you cannot download the WhatsApp Business app on your laptop itself. You can only do that in your mobile device. Now, obviously, there will be some websites from where you can download the WhatsApp Business, but they might not be reliable. So what you want to do instead is open up Microsoft Store on your laptop or PC, then search for WhatsApp. Now, you will have two options here, WhatsApp and WhatsApp Beta. Select whichever you want. Once it has been downloaded, you simply want to log in using your WhatsApp business account. If you want to use both WhatsApp business account and WhatsApp personal account in your laptop, you can download WhatsApp and WhatsApp Beta and simply use both the accounts at the same time in your laptop. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.